Welcome to the channel. So now in this video I'm just going to start replacing all the caps, everything what I bought for this. One thing I did already outside the recording was to replace this fuse holder. Old one looks like this, new one looks like this. Okay, next I will solder these cables in place and show you the result. Fuse is in place and it's soldered in place. Okay, I think I'll next start replacing the capacitors. I'll first need to check which one I should start with. I mean, this one looks as good a candidate as any. Okay, I'll start with this one. See you after it's changed. So that capacitor is now replaced with a new one, much smaller one. Here's the old one. I just cracked it to see. Maybe I wonder if it can focus or not, but that's what it looks like. Sandwich layers of some sort of film. This cap is going to be next in line. I don't know, I'm changing these waxed covered ones first. See you after that's done. Okay, now this one is changed to this orange one here. It was really difficult to find a good match for this one, but yeah, it's close enough, I hope. Let's see what's inside this one. If I can squeeze it open. Someone is now, okay, it doesn't, it's pretty hard underneath. So this is what this cap looks like inside when it's broken and opened up. Yep, probably nothing healthy, so I'm just going to get rid of this, put it to recycling. So this might need to go to a specific place because it might contain specific chemicals and need to be taken care of, but that's about it. Next capacitor to change is this one here. I believe it's a mica, but I will still change it. Here's the new replacement. See you back when it's changed. And there's the new one in place. I didn't connect this end yet because I still need to take this apart and clean it up. Here's the old one. Let's see if I can get it open. Unfortunately, too hard. Couldn't break it anyway. Maybe I will take it outside and try some hammer on it, but yeah. Let's see what will be next. So I guess these are the next ones. This is interesting. I don't know if I should replace this now or later. Let's start with this one here. It's in really bad condition. And then change this and figure out how to attach the new caps here. Now I changed these capacitors, but I made a mistake in choosing them. They're not the correct ones. Though I was lucky, I did find the correct ones after a bit of finding. This was crazy expensive, but they'll be perfect match. I will need to change those. But before realizing mistake with this one, I started working on the big caps, these ones here. And for those, I had initially replacements like this. I was like, okay, these are difficult to place there. After searching, I found that they do make these kind of retro versions of these exact same caps, just a lot smaller. And now I need to modify next these holders for the cap. Just as I finished filming the previous clip, I started modifying these and they just shattered. I mean, they were covered in rust to begin with. So maybe they're not, okay. Maybe they're not the best ones to continue. I think I need to do some new kind of attachments. So since I broke attachments, I remade new ones from brass, had to add some modern screws, attach nuts on the other side, but here's the new caps with the nice attachments made out of brass. I just replaced this cap, which was unfortunately the wrong one, with this one, which is used in audio applications, but it's exact replacement. Slightly different looking, but for the original one, so I'm very happy with it. Brass pieces to hold these caps in place. Now they're soldered in place. I left these like this so that I can possibly still reconnect them, because this one, they're both connected to this rectifier, and I need to still change this one. So I might need to desolder again, but yeah. And I left some of these unconnected due to that. But now these are all changed. I need to go backwards and change that one cap on the other side. The second one of these caps which was wrong, replaced with a proper one, similar pretty red one, and connected to its place. I made a bit longer cable here because I have to do some replacement of components here. I don't know what is the origin, where the cable's exactly supposed to go. So I'd rather put long cables than short cables, because I can always shorten them if needed, but the other way around might be more difficult. Yeah, this part is now done. I think I will end this video here, and next video after that will be about some other part. Now I'm a bit unsure what to do next. There's so many things to do. I think I will next tackle this, whatever this is, probably a selenium rectifier, and I need to figure out what are the connections and replace this with a modern diode one, and let's see what's inside. Yeah. Okay, this one will probably be the next video. See you then.